Now, exercise 1D R.S. Agrawal, class 8 maths. Here, multiplication of numbers are given. Here also, commutative property of multiplication, associative property of multiplication, and other things. One more property is distributive property will be discussed. So exercise 1D. Question number 1. Find each of the following products. Question number 1. It has 12 parts. Many parts are here given. I am doing some of them. So let us do first part. It is very easy. It wants to calculate 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 8. See here, 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 8. First number is positive, second is negative. Whenever numbers are multiplied, a positive into negative, the sign is negative, or a negative number multiplied by negative multiplied by positive is again negative, because plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into plus will always be minus, minus into minus will be plus, and plus into plus will be plus. You try to remember these four things. Whenever a negative number is multiplied with a positive number, as in the first two cases, negative will come, and when similar sign, negative into negative, positive, positive into positive, positive, means whenever similar signs of two numbers are multiplied together, when two numbers of similar signs are multiplied together, the result is positive. And when two numbers of opposite signs, one is plus, other is minus, are multiplied, result is negative. Remember it? So here negative will come because no simplification can be done, because 3, 5 these are prime numbers, 7 is also prime, 8 is composite number but has no common factor with other numbers, so it becomes minus 21 by 40. Multiply the numbers in numerator, means above the sign, above the oblique sign, and multiply the number below the oblique sign. Similarly, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all are. Some numbers can be simplified in first, second, third. In third, some simplification can be done. Third part, you see here, 1 or third, minus 6 by 11 into minus 3, minus 5 by 3. See here, both are negative. Positive will come, no need to write positive. You can write, but no need. And 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So it becomes plus, no need to write because plus will come, 5 2 are 10 by 11. If nothing is written, it means plus. If you will write plus here, no, nothing is wrong. But whenever a number is positive, no need to mention it. This is third part. Similarly, in fourth part, one simplification, 3 2s, so it will be minus 4 by 7. You try to do yourself. In fifth, sixth, in all these parts, some simplification is there because 12 parts are there. So now I am doing 8th part. 8th part is a bit bigger than these parts. First 8, part 8 of question number first is minus 13 by 15. Minus 13 by 15 into minus 25 by 26. This is the question given. So you see here minus into minus becomes plus. No need to write plus. Plus will be there. And 15 and 25 can be simplified. 5 3 ja. Here will come 5 5 ja. 13 1 ja and 13 2 ja. You try to remember the tables. So in numerator 1 and 5 are there. In denominator 3 and 2 are there. So result will be 5 by 6. Because minus minus signs will cancel each other and plus. So result is plus 5 by 6. It is part 8. Likewise, the question has 12 parts. One more I am doing here. This one 11, and you try to finish all the 12 parts of this question. 11, number 11 is 7 by 24 into minus 48. Here first number is plus, it is minus, second one, therefore minus sign will come. Whenever minus sign comes, you have to write. If plus comes, you may or may not write. And here see 24 into 2 is 48. So it is 1 ja and 2 ja. So result is 7 2 ja 14. It is minus 14 because below is 1. You can write in one step, but the answer is minus 4. Because if anything is divided by 1, the result is the number itself which is divided. So first question is finished over here of exercise 1D. Now let us do second question. Second question of exercise 1D is about commutative property of multiplication, which tells A into B is equal to B into A. It is always true. It is commutative property. Commutative property of multiplication. Commutativity you can write of multiplication. A into B is equal to B into A. It is always true for multiplication. It is always true for addition, as I told you earlier. So here it says verify. Question 2 part 1 is to verify the result. Verify means so that left and right sides are equal. 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9. It is left hand side and right hand side is opposite of that, minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7. But here 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So this left hand side becomes minus 5 by 21. And here see 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. And here also right hand side becomes minus 5 by 21. Because left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9 is equal to minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7. Hence verified. Therefore hence this is verified. Likewise, 4 parts are here. You can do yourself. I did first part. You try to complete all these 4 parts, and if any problem arises, you can ask with me. Question number 3 is on associative property of multiplication. What is that? I will tell you. Associativity. Question number 3. Associativity of multiplication, which states A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. It is associativity. Associative property and associativity on multiplication, it is always true. See in question 3, 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 in bracket into 7 by 18 is equal to 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7 by 18 bracket. When first two are in bracket, third is outside. In right hand side, first is outside and second and third are in bracket, and the result will come same. It is associative property. I am doing, which part should I do? First, second, whichever you like. In first all are positive. In second, 3 parts are given. I am doing second one because here signs will also be in consideration. Minus 30 by 24 into minus 12 by 5 into 35 by 36. This way is equal to, here first number is outside the bracket, then here minus 13 by 24 into minus 12 by 5. These two are in bracket and outside is 35 by 36. We have to verify. So you can verify by writing right hand side, left hand side, or by directly. Implies minus 13 by 24 into, here is 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja, 12 1 ja, and 12 3 ja. 1 here is 7. So it is into 7 by 3. And in right hand side see, here is 12 1 ja and 12 2 ja. So it becomes minus 13 upon 10 into 35 by 36. So what comes? This implies here is minus 91 by 72. Multiplication of 13 and 7 is minus 91. Multiplication of 24 and 3 is 72. So here this minus into plus becomes minus. So here was minus. I am sorry, minus. Here minus and it is positive. Okay. Let us check once more. Minus minus 2 minus. Here this also minus. This also minus, so minus minus becomes plus. So this minus minus becomes plus 91 by 72, and here is 5 2 ja and 5 7 ja. So it becomes 13 7 ja 91 upon 72, which is true. Because you see left hand side and right hand side comes the same, which is true. Hence true. Hence proved. This is question number 3. So let us stop over here because